Hey guys, I have a Ledger Nano here. It's a Ledger Nano S. I don't know how I got cracked here. I barely ever use this thing. I don't know what happened, why I got cracked. But what has happened here is that when I plug it in, and this is the old one that uses a micro USB adapter here, nothing happens. The screen doesn't light up. So don't panic when this happens, because there's nothing wrong with the actual board for the Ledger. What's happened is the screen has gone bad. So this one here is probably 7 or 8 years old. I got this when they first came out, and so it's pretty old. And it's just been stored. I haven't really used it for anything, but the screen has gone out on it. So don't panic, because they're really easy to replace the screens. And so we'll go ahead and open this up. I've already taken the metal part of it off of it. It just snaps off of it. And what I did is I bought some replacement screens on Amazon. I recommend getting the ones on Amazon. Don't get the ones from AliExpress or from eBay. I've heard of those failing. I've had one of those fail before, and I mean, not work at all. It was just DOA. And I had another one that failed within a matter of days. So get the ones on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below to which ones I use. I also like the ones on Amazon because you can get different colors. So you can get a blue or a white. I think here I got the white ones. I prefer the white ones. I think that's what I got, but we'll see. We'll go ahead and stick this in here. So let's pop this open. You just need a screwdriver here and just get underneath the edge here. And it just pops open. There you go. I know this can be nerve-wracking if you, if you've got all your crypto on one of these. Just be patient. There we go. So it just pops open, and then you can just kind of like push it out here. And then it slides out this way. So you want to slide it out this way, and then it slides out like that. And here's what the screen looks like. So, and again, this is an early version. This is an early version of it. So it has a 12-pin OLED screen on a 12-pin LED screen. And you can tell that, it's hard to see, but it'll say 12-pin right on it. Let's get it out of here. So you got this little black plastic piece that pops up, and then that releases it. And I thought somewhere on here it says, yeah, right here, it says 12. So this one has 12 pins. There's also a 15-pin version. So I recommend opening your Ledger and counting. You can just count the number of lines, count the number of lines in the ribbon here, the number of connectors. You don't have to take it out to count it. You can just count the number of lines in here. If it's hard for you to see, you can take a photo and then zoom in on the photo. But like this one says 12 on it. And so it just pops out like that. And then we're just going to pop in a new one here. So here we have a new one. The other great thing about getting these on Amazon is you can get them delivered like right away. Okay. I got these next day. Okay, so it just pops in there. Okay, I'm in all the way. I'm gonna close the black clasp back down, and then we can test this. So I've got a cable here. me make sure I've got power. Alright, so that cable, I didn't have that cable plugged into a good power source. I've got it plugged into a good power source now. So now we can try powering this on. And there you go. I like this one. I got the white screen. I like having the white screen. So now it's powered on and your ledger is ready to go again. Super simple to do. So I'll disconnect this. I'll take this one, take the new screen out. We'll take the new screen out again. And here's the old screen. Put the old screen back in just so you guys can see it. Old screen's back in. We'll power it on. You might be able to see a faint. Nope, nothing. Nothing at all. So it can be very shocking when it happens to you for the first time. Especially when you buy something that you think you can use for long-term storage and then it doesn't work on you. It can be very shocking, to say the least. So let's put the new one back in. Sometimes I struggle with this part of it. Okay. New screen's in. There we go. Pretty easy. So remember, get the ones from Amazon. I know they're more expensive. I bought the package of 6 because I can get overnight shipping. You can get Prime shipping on it. I'll put the link down below. But the ones from Amazon are really great quality. The screens look fantastic. I mean, look at that. It looks great. So I would definitely go with these. I'll put that link down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.